Root Car Insurance Review for 2022. The insurance industry is considered mature, which means that there are few new players in the business. One of the highlights is Root Insurance, which was established in 2015 in Columbus, Ohio to challenge the old way of providing insurance. Root still uses metrics and statistical data used by other companies, such as location and sex. The difference is that the company relies heavily on drivers who take test drive using its operating system. You download the app to your smartphone, and it starts tracking your driving habits. The data we collect is similar to what other car insurance applications collect: daytime, speed, brakes, and smooth ride. You can monitor how an app thinks you are doing using its driver scorecard, but you can't close the app or the driving test time has been cancelled. The app always works in the background to collect call data. Root says the app can detect whether you are a driver or a passenger, although some have doubts. He can clearly see the difference between your driving and being a passenger on a plane or a bus. The test usually takes about 2 weeks, although it can take up to a month. Once the app has collected enough data, Root will show you a rating based on your driving habits, or the company will refuse to offer you insurance. Once the test is complete and your rating is suspended, no additional information is collected to reset your rating. As with any app-based insurance program, there is a privacy trade at a low price. Even if the app no longer collects certain data related to your drive, it will continue to collect anonymous data used by the company to train its AI. Root may use your data when a claim is made, but will not sell your data to a third party. The company's privacy policy is long, but surprisingly readable. Given that Root is very new to insurance coverage, it is probably not surprising that it is still striving to be available in all 50 states. Everything to do with Root, from paying premiums to filing claims, happens with the app. No agents will act as intermediaries. This makes many processes faster and easier, but sometimes you need more help. After receiving criticism for its lack of customer service, Root added people who could help with phone, email, and online chat services. Origin car insurance discounts. Root relies heavily on its driving test program to determine which drivers it will cover. Because it does not cover high-risk drivers, its low prices for drivers make it insurance. Root claims to save its drivers by 50% compared to their previous prices with other companies. Since its prices are already very low, Root does not offer many additional discounts. There are, however, other benefits that other insurance companies rarely offer you. Side-of-the-road assistance is included in all policies at no additional charge, and the company will pay for a Lyft ride on holidays when people will likely need a ride home, such as St. Mary's Day. Patrick. And like most startups and app-based companies, if you transfer a friend to Root, you will both get financial incentives. It is safe to say that young people who are good drivers can benefit from the Root program. Everyone in your family can get tested and covered under your policy. When everyone takes the test, the home rating is rated. So, even if your young driver is not perfect, having older adults in the house who are respectable drivers can help lower the standard. Some drivers in your home policy who do not test you will be given values based on traditional human data, so that teens can still be expensive with Root if they do not take the test. Other types of policies from Root. Root is focused on auto insurance, which includes credit, collision, total, and medical, and you can get SR22 installation with the app. Unlike many car insurance companies, Root also offers coverage for reconstructed and rescue articles. How you drive a car with a rescue title is more important to MPAN than the status of the title. Root does not include motorcycles, RVs, commercial vehicles, and does not offer a gap when buying or renting a car. Insurance. It now offers us a landlord insurance, which caters to its key customers who tend to be smaller and tech-savvy. Root also offers homeowner insurance in a few states. Source of financial eligibility. As an insurance company with only 5 years in the business, Root does not have a history that many competitors do not have. It has excellent ratings from the Better Business Bureau, but has not yet been rated by organizations such as Moody's or Standard & Poor's. However, that does not mean that we know nothing about the company. Root received $350 million in funding by the end of 2019, and made a total of $3.6 billion. Its policies are also validated by 3 other companies: Munich Re, Maiden Re, and Odyssey Re.